Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kiara. And we have a special guest again, Ariana.
Hi guys, my name is Ariana.
Today we are going to be doing, y'all don't know, got this at Walmart. Merry Christmas gift, but we are going to do some slime today. So we're gonna open this jar up. Let's do a thumbnail first. Come on. Okay, that was a good one. We're gonna open this up first. And then we're gonna see what this is. So I need, oh, I already know what this thing is. So, a bigger applicator than that. So we're gonna see what we got here. We got some names, some name tags. Put it on there after. So we can put that down there. So we got. I should have got some scissors, but it's okay. Let's see. So we got some glue. And we got glue. 2 bottles of glue.
And we got activator.
That's activator.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we got some clear containers. We have about 4 of these.
So we each made 2?
Yeah, we're each gonna make 2. Good. We're each gonna make 2. You don't look up there, you look up right here. So we're gonna each make 2. And we have some color right here. So we got blue, green, yellow, and red. I think that's red. I think that's red. And we're gonna put it right there. We have a spoon. We have 2 spoons. Two spoons. Put that right there. And then we have some craft stuff. We got glitter. We got red glitter, blue sparkle glitter, green, gold, and silver glitter. And then we got.
We have more glitter and.
What color is that?
This is like a
pink glitter.
No, it's like a purple, but it's like lavender purple.
Yeah. That color. And then we have. What are these?
These are rainbow foam balls.
Yep. Foam balls.
We might be using these.
We are going to use those. And then we have like a measuring cup.
I think that's for this. I mean that.
And then we have just 1 stick to stir that stuff up with. So we got a wooden stick. Sorry, I need some water. So we are going to get started real quick with some glue and our
Thank you.
bucket. You can open your stuff. And so we are going to get started. I'm gonna pour some activator in here for her. Cause we gonna measure, baby. But you pour a little bit at a time.
You want me to start right now?
Yeah. Don't move the table.
Hey, I did this because I don't want to open it.
Okay, let me open it for you.
It's already open.
Oh. Oh, it's grape scented. That smells good. Okay.
Yours is blueberry scented over there.
Blue raspberry scent.
You want grape?
I want grape and I want.
Can I have blue ras too?
Yeah.
On this one? Wait, hold up.
Pour yours.
Oh shoot, that's enough.
No, you need more.
I don't want to use it all because you need some.
Okay.
Can I smell that one?
It smells so good.
You want to smell it?
So that's blue raspberry.
Ooh, the blue raspberry is like, it smells like,
It's like
the Jolly
candy.
Ranchers.
Yeah.
The Jolly Ranchers. That one does smell like Jolly Ranchers, but it doesn't because it doesn't have the scent.
This one do. It's grape scented.
You got more than me.
I do.
For grape?
It's grape. My bad.
Can I put more blue ras? So
Ain't no more blue raspberry. It's empty, girl.
we use it all.
Yeah, we use it all.
Next up, color.
Hold on. Next we're gonna do.
Do we do glitter?
If you wanna do these like acrylic colors.
I wanna do blue.
Let me see how you open
Isn't that cute?
it. Okay, I got carpet and I don't want to get on the carpet, so. But which one do you want?
I want blue. And
On both?
No.
So you want?
I want blue on the other, and I don't know.
That's the blue on the raspberry.
Yeah.
I got blue This is blue raspberry. This is grape for me.
So we can just mix purple. We can just mix blue and red with the other color.
Well, I want blue on blue raspberry.
Can I mix? Or are we gonna mix together?
Don't mix it with that. Oh, that is for that. Mix it. You want more color on yours?
Yep. Can you put blue and red in that one?
You trying to mix your colors, huh? You said blue and red?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna make purple?
Mm-hmm. For grape. Grapes?
Smart girl. Okay.
I'm trying to put the same color with the smell so it can look like the same. Ooh, this blue came out good.
Does that enough red?
Yeah.
One more.
Okay. You like my blue color? It's like a clearish blue.
I'm gonna do my grape.
Can I mix that one too?
Yeah, if you want. You gonna mix it? Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do yellow.
It's not even making purple. It's making like a grayish color.
No, that's making purple. See? Purple.
That's a dark purple.
Yeah.
So you put a bunch of red.
I'm gonna do yellow for my grape. Yellow. What does yellow and green make?
Yellow and green probably makes, no, it probably makes like a neon color, but I don't know what color, because in one of those, yeah, it might make something, like a pretty color. That green is beautiful, so it's probably gonna make a beautiful something.
Let's see what the grape makes.
It makes like a...
It makes light green. Okay.
What?
I like a light green. Oh, that's not bad.
You know, these are my two colors, and my two favorite colors.
It made green, y'all.
Ooh, this purple looks good. Okay.
Let's see my blue. This blue is beautiful.
I told you. You like mine?
Yeah, that one's pretty, girl. Look,
Yours is
we
more
got
darker.
Blue. I think I put more in mine.
And then
Not sure.
I have purple and she has like a light green.
Yeah, guys, we're doing slime. If you haven't noticed, so I have green, light green, like a light green and a blue. She has purple and blue. I held it up for her because I have carpet, and I don't want to get on my carpet. Cause who's gonna pay for that? Not me. But I'm going to put these blue sparkles.
I want these
Hold on.
blue.
Let me open it for you because I don't want it all on the floor.
And I might do.
I'm gonna put mine in here. Just a little
that's
bit.
smart.
You want these in there?
Yep, and I'm gonna put those.
Okay, here, pour it.
The whole thing?
No, not the whole thing.
That's enough.
No, pour a little bit more. I want a little bit more.
I don't want to
show out. You trying to show out good? You want this one?
Yep, and this one too.
Okay.
I'm gonna put different glitters. Can I put that one? Just a little bit of that.
No, it's gonna be ugly.
Okay, yeah, that is
pour that.
true. You want
pour that in here.
This?
No, don't pour it in there. Pour it in your purple.
Oh, it's gonna match.
One more.
I want foam balls.
Let's add that at the end. We gonna.
Ooh, you could show.
Green put this one. Yeah.
Mine.
I'm gonna put these green.
Mine just match.
Fairy, you gonna tilt it over? Stop. You know your hands flipped it. She got the pink purple glitter in hers. And she got the blue sparkles. I don't know if you can see this, but it's like a...
It's blending in.
Yeah, you will see once we're finished. And then we're putting some glitter in mine.
Why does that green look like yellow?
I have green. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the activator. So I kept yours in here, and then I put me some in here. So we got activator. We're going to activate our stuff, but not too much. At one time.
Is that enough?
Yeah. And then stir with your stir. Can y'all see?
Mine's already blending.
Mine is too.
I didn't know that. Look, mommy.
Bye.
It smells like blue raspberry.
It smells so good.
Why does mine look like this?
Look. I don't know, mine already look like that too. I think we put too much activator.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Mine's still like gluey. Can I put more?
Activator?
Look.
Are you staring at it?
I was.
Girl, look, you gotta put some in it. You gotta put a little There you go.
Thank you. Oh, I'm just getting a little bit slimy.
Ooh, I don't like this kid. Don't touch it with your fingers here.
My spoon should have break.
You doing it too hard. Look what I'm doing. Why it's so sticky?
Oh no. You think this is making it sticky?
They're activated, so hopefully not.
It's supposed to be not sticky.
Exactly.
It's supposed to be turning into slime, not like a nasty little goop. Okay. Oh, look, mine. It's nasty.
Get on the table, girl.
Okay. You think this is what it is?
Mm-mm.
Wait, you finna play with yours? Can I play with mine?
Yours is.
It's okay?
I'll put some of mine in there. Mine's darker than yours. Yeah, yours okay.
You know, I feel it. so kind of weird.
Play with yours so it can.
You said you're gonna put some of yours in there.
No, I didn't.
Huh.
I said I already did.
Next up, we're gonna mix the purple and green.
Take my ring off. Eric, that's enough.
I'm gonna play with it while it does that.
I don't like this one, y'all. I think this will fail. Cause look how it look.
It's kind of
Okay, that's just needed until it forms.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Don't put no more activator in that area.
Okay.
Don't put it on my floor either. Get over this. I think I got mine.
Hers is good, but look at mine. I think you always have to just play with it. I think the purple one gonna turn out better. Oh, look, Mommy, it's coming out better. Just gotta play with it.
Oh, for the table area. You're making a mess.
Sorry, Mommy.
I think I got mine. I don't like this kind of song because look, it don't have no kind of pull. And it just breaks away. And it's
Mine's
not sticky.
done.
No, it's not. It's not done. It's still sticky.
Mine is not sticky. I just
It
added.
smells so good.
We don't even smell bad.
It smells good.
It says mix it for 70 minutes.
Girl, no, this dumb.
Look, Mommy, mine just. I wanted to get that squish, the slime maker. Mommy, I wanted to get the slime maker, but we put it in a ball and we just squish it, like make homemade squishies. I wanted that, but we can put the slime.
I don't know what that is, but we'll find it.
Okay, we're gonna put these ones up.
Ooh. So that's the blue one. We made the blue one.
Blue. Now it's time for purple.
For me,
Green.
it's green.
Is your favorite color green?
No, my favorite color.
I
is
got
green.
all my favorite colors. I wish they had pink.
My favorite color is black. I'm sure everybody.
But you
knows
could have
my
made
favorite
black
color
with all of those.
is black. Oh, no.
Just telling you.
I'm blind. What? We've been doing this for 12 minutes. 17 minutes. Okay.
One dot. The purple smells like Jolly Ranchers now.
This is the
That's
raspberry.
green grape.
This is the grape one, yeah.
That's green grapes.
Yeah. It's stuck, y'all. But it's pretty.
Mine's just coming out good.
Y'all want to see my nails? Your nails.
Tell me about your birthday.
Wanna
Your
figure
birthday's in
it
2
out?
months.
Yeah, my birthday is March 4th. But I ain't doing nothing. Yeah, no. Ain't got nothing to do. I gotta work. That's it.
On your birthday?
Yeah, my birthday.
That's a fail.
Well, you know.
But when you get home.
rather work to get some money, huh?
Mhm.
Okay, then.
That is true. Can I touch it?
Yeah, do whatever you want.
Do whatever I want. You're playing with it? I wanna feel yours, but
It feels the same, girl.
Ooh, mine is a little bit sticky.
Mine is too.
Ooh.
But let's see how it forms when it's sticky like this.
It's stretching, of course. I think I have more of this.
You spilling it on the floor area.
The purple one's coming out good. Your green one is?
Yeah.
Look, see, it has more form. And look, this time you can...
I feel like this one is better than that one.
The
I put
blue
too much
one didn't
activator.
come out good. But look, mine is good. Wait, yours is actually doing that thing?
Yeah, I think I didn't put that much activator in it. So it's
I didn't either.
Yeah, you did.
Mine was a total fool.
Well, it's not necessary.
Look, all you gotta do is get all the inside. That means it's good. You heard that?
Oh, I like this one better.
This one is turning out better. This one,
So we're almost done. I'm about to bring this video to an end because we are done with our little project.
no, not yet.
Yes.
We still have to put these.
Well, this, like this, and then I'm gonna put some of these on there. You can put those right there.
Am I doing both?
No. I spilled it everywhere. So just put a little bit. Put those in there. Just gonna put a little bit.
Ooh. Nice one.
I done spilled it everywhere.
You did it.
That's okay. I get it like this. Yeah, you been too rough.
Mm-hmm. Whoa, it came out good.
I hear some popping.
Can I feel yours? Please. Can you be a nice woman like me, please?
I know you did not pour that on me.
I'm gonna see it.
Y'all,
No, look at
I know
this
y'all
one.
gonna tell me that I'm a nagging mom. It's because I have carpet, you know. I have carpet and I don't want them to get stained. So I was like, dang, let me enjoy this video. You can enjoy the video.
Ooh.
Stop, you getting it all over the dang.
I got it.
Look at the towel.
I'm sneaky.
It's okay. If we were in the dining room like we should have did, she would have been more free doing it on her own.
But I don't have my own YouTube channel yet, which I am gonna have soon.
Yes. I will be making her channel. I don't know how consistent we're gonna be on it, but
Can I feel yours?
feel.
No.